What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be building a snow fort, just like it says in the title. But I had built one yesterday, but it was too close to the house, and the exhaust fan, or like not fan, the pipe that runs all the exhaust out from like the dryer and whatnot, tore a hole through it. So, and plus I need to move it because it's too close to the house anyway, and will flood if it melts all right here. So I have to move it to a different spot, and yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this. It'll take a while for me, but for you it'll probably just be like lickety split. So yeah, let's get to it. All right, so I don't know how long that was, probably 45, 30 minutes, something like that. But we got some pretty solid progress on it so far. There's still a lot of snow over. I mean, it's not like a lot of snow, but still a decent amount. I'll probably just have my brothers clean it up or something, because my dad told them to as well. But here's the progress on the hill so far. It's a pretty big mound. I'm gonna keep adding to it though with the snow from the yard, because that seems to work a lot better than this stuff over here. So this is what the pile looks like right now. It used to be a big thingamajang right here, but now it's all there and over there. So yeah, feeling good so far. And yeah, I'm excited to finish this. I'm getting real tired. I've drank a good amount of water, but I'll keep going. Got her looking nice and good, ready to start digging. So I'll set you guys up and we'll see how long this part takes. Should be about an hour or so, but this is the fun part, thankfully. Here's an update so far. Kind of far in, I guess. I don't know how far I can go. Here's the entrance. Man, I'm excited. I think this will be, it'll look very cool on the inside. But boy, whew, am I tired. Oh jeez. This is no joke. It's like fun, but at the same time just like straight up exhausting. But you know, we're getting through it. I'm having fun. Like, that matters a lot actually. But I found I don't know if I left it. Oh no, it's right next to me. Oh, whoops. A rake thingamajang. I was using a shovel for a little bit, but then I was like, if I can get the snow loosened up, then that'd probably work a lot better. So yeah, it is working a lot better and I like it more. But we just gotta keep going. But it's looking really, really good so far. all got to take breaks to eat, you know, to stay fueled up. I got triple decker sandwich today. There's just some really, there's like a, I don't know if you can tell, but that piece in the middle is skinnier than the other ones. Just must have been miscut in the loaf of bread, but pretty fire. Yeah, I'm exhausted. So I'm gonna eat for now, and then I'm gonna go inside and relax for a little bit. Sorry. I'm just eating and yapping, but I'm gonna go inside probably for like an hour, because I need to like sit down or lay down something and not be working so hard. I mean, I'm working. Like, it's not bad to be working hard, but it's good to take breaks, you know, union breaks. You work for an hour, get a break, work now. But I've been I've been doing this for, I think, like an hour and a half or so. I'm not getting paid to do it. I'm this close. I'm not even kidding. I'm this close to getting paid on YouTube. I'm at like 921. Hey, so it's a perfect moment. If you guys are not subscribed and want to help me hit 1,000 subscribers, consider hitting the subscribe button so then I can reach that goal. Because I think once I hit 1,000, I'm gonna move more towards posting like half full time. Like, I want to be doing at least a couple videos every week. It can be of whatever you guys want to see. Just leave a comment. I will literally make a video of like anything family friendly, you know. The sandwich is really good. Dang, it was icicle just fell. But yeah, it's heating up out here. It's hot in there with my coat on, like when I'm inside the thing, but yeah. Honestly, yeah, I'm gonna probably wait an hour or so and then finish it up. This sandwich is really good. Yeah. Have you guys, like, if you guys are watching this right now, me eating and talking, I just want to say thank you for sticking around. It's really fun to do this. You know, it's kind of like weird. Like, imagine you, like, if you just looked at me right now, like if you're my neighbor or something, you saw me yapping to my phone, or like if it just looked like I was yapping to no one, it'd be kind of funny. But and you'd probably think I'm kind of weird, but no, my neighbors are chill. They know me. But yeah, I really do enjoy making content. I wish I did it more, but you know, I got school going on. A lot. You know, my spring break starts today. I get like a week and a half off. I don't have to go back to them. No, I have like over 2 weeks, technically over 2 weeks off, because so my family's like the high school and like elementary school around here have spring break the week after my college does. So that was a fire sandwich. That was so good. But we're going to Tennessee, so I'll miss a week of school, but I can make it up. No problem. Although it is kind of hard to make it up. But my instructors will help me. They're super chill. Yeah. Hope you guys are enjoying so far. See ya in like an hour or two. Alright guys, we're back outside and it's honestly warmed up a lot, so oh man, the snow's melting just kind of quickly, but it's not too horrible. I think it'll be good for having the shelter, because then when it gets cold it'll harden up and stay that way hopefully. But yeah, let's get back to it. Well, I've been working very hard. I will show you guys inside right now. It's not close to being done yet, but it's probably, I would say, halfway there. Here we go. Here, we're gonna crawl in. And I built a hole, or carved a hole up here for ventilation, but I can fit all my body in here. It's pretty nice. My brother just came home, so hopefully he'll be able to help soon. But man, I'm getting real tired. I might have to go eat more. I don't know what I need to do, but yeah, looks fire in here. And I'll crawl out. Oh my gosh. Here's the entrance. And then we hop up here. I used one of the poles to mark here with, to mark where I needed to get the hole. I'm very tired, but I know I can get through it, especially if my brother helps. So I need to go charge my phone, so I'm not gonna record for a little bit, but I'm just gonna dig out what needs to be dug out. So I'll see you guys in a bit. All right guys, so my brother ended up showing up after school, and he's been helping me just like get the snow out whenever I get it out and move it out of my feet. But my phone is charged now, and we've got the final result ready to go. So in 3, 2, 1. All right, grand reveal. Good in there. And he slides easily. Oh, look at that. That's enough sleeping space for anyone. 2-person survival shelter. With easily enough room. Look at that space. I mean, if you really wanted to, you could fit 3 people in here.
Yeah, you could.
That's no joke. But yeah. Looking very good. And then here's the little ventilation hole. And stick it on out. See what kind of view we get with this. I'm not quite sure. Yeah, got this little like spot corner back here for a pillow, and then the area he's in, it's like a little tiny cubby sleeping area.
You have the hardwood right there.
Yep. And yeah, Just is a very good shelter. Time to crawl on out. And it's not a hard crawl either. It's a pretty open gap in there. I'm soaked. You know it's alright. I used a bunch of snow from up in the yard and then got it all on here. So yeah, now we just gotta work on clearing all this extra snow out from over here. But alright guys, now that the shelter is complete, I can enjoy another sandwich. Two sandwiches, one video. Nothing gets better than this. Besides maybe if it didn't take me as long as it did. I think I started around 11, and I want to say it's about 4:30 now. So five and a half hours with like a 2-hour break. So technically like 3.5. It was a good day. Sorry. I have a community groups tonight. It's my first ever one with my church. So I'm pretty excited. And I don't know what to expect, but I know it'll be fun. My parents used to host one back when I was younger. So it was always fun getting to see everyone there, so it was super duper fun. Well, hope you guys. What?
Where are you?
My other brother found me.
Dig out the hole.
What?
Where are you facing?
I'm just sitting in here.
Are you sitting fully up?
No. I'm a little slouched.
Is it nice in there?
Uh-huh.
Is it nice?
Yeah. I don't know if you guys can hear him, but he was asking me if it was nice in here. It's a million times better with a sandwich. All right. Time to scooch my way out of here. I'll see you guys later. We're looking fine and dandy. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to hit thumbs up so I know to make more videos like this. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.